We have been through a lot of wars together, and this blizzard is the one for the ages. Certainly it is the blizzard of the century. I'm in downtown Buffalo. We'll continue to be here. And as much as we can see the skies right now, we know that the storm is coming back. We're expecting another 6 to 12 inches. And in the south towns, the southern part of Erie County, a little bit south of here, they had 30 to 40 inches of snow overnight. So anyone who declares victory and says it's over, it is way too early to say this is at its completion of, maybe the severity is downplaying now, and right now it's not as bad as it had been over the last couple of days, but it is still a dangerous situation to be out. We have had snowplows, major snowplows, and rescue vehicles. I saw them myself in ditches buried in snow. So those circumstances are still difficult. We need to have the roads open to continue plowing and salting and removing all those vehicles. So the thruway will remain closed until further notice. Back to the search and rescue, our teams alone in the county and the city have their own stories. We had over 550 rescues, transporting people all over, people from out of town who had no idea what they're in for. It's extraordinary. And stay off the roads so we can continue to rescue people, get them safe, and make sure that the roads are clear so we can reopen our community as soon as humanly possible.
Des Kurdes en France à ce stade et
At this stage, the future of the Kurds in France is a very sensitive issue. Doubt hangs over the future of the Kurds in France. The feeling of insecurity remains. This is why we have appealed to the French authorities to be listened to be heard, to be reassured, to be protected. We expect the French authorities to implement concrete actions.
Qu'il y ait des actes concrets qui soient mis en place. Les assassinats, il y a une veille permanente.
Since the assassinations, there is a permanent surveillance. There is a 24-hour police presence here in front of our premises. Obviously, at this stage, we can say that there is reinforced protection. We can see that. But can this reinforced protection prevent further assassinations?
Pourrait éventuellement éviter de nouveaux assassinats.
Pushpa Kamal Dahal प्रचण्ड लाई
As crews work to dig out the snowed-in region around Buffalo, New York, officials are shedding more light on the dire consequences of the weekend storm. Over 24 people have died in Erie County as a result of the powerful blizzard that paralyzed western New York State.
Died in a car, died outside from exposure. died in a snow shovel or cardiac event regarding the snow blowing were found in a home.
Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz on Monday told reporters the death toll is likely to rise as the medical examiner is working to confirm if other fatalities are directly tied to the weather.
And this blizzard is the one for the ages. Certainly it is the blizzard of the century.
The fierce blizzard, which New York Governor Kathy Hochul called an epic, once-in-a-lifetime weather disaster, pummeled the area over the Christmas weekend, leading to over 500 rescues across the state. It capped an Arctic freeze and winter storm front that had extended over most of the United States for days, stretching as far south as the Mexican border. A Texas car wash had intense icicles, and there was a massive pileup on the Ohio Turnpike on Friday. In hard-hit Erie County, hundreds of National Guard troops were assisting emergency workers on Monday, rescuing people trapped in homes and cars and clearing mounds of snow. But it was proving to be difficult, with snow plows even getting stuck. A driving ban remains in effect for Buffalo, and officials are urging residents to stay home.
The city of Buffalo is impassable in most areas. While mains may have a lane open for emergency traffic or two, most secondaries as well as side streets have not been touched yet. This is primarily because the efforts were going towards opening up areas around hospitals, around nursing homes, around other emergent care locations.
In some areas south of Buffalo and north of Syracuse, up to a foot of snow was still forecast to fall through Tuesday.